Hello friends, in this video I want to share with you how I make this refreshing watermelon and beet juice, as well as the health benefits they have. Watermelon is packed with vitamins and nutrients. Sweet and juicy watermelon is a symbol of summer. It helps to hydrate and support your body, helps you maintain a healthy weight, protects against diseases, as well as supports eye health and helps to boost our immune system. It also helps to relieve sore muscles and aids skin health, improves digestion, as well as manage blood sugar. Red apples aid digestive health, improve brain health, better skin and youthful look, helps to strengthen our immune system, improve eye health, reduce the risk of heart diseases, may help to combat diabetes, and helps to reduce the risk of cancer. Lemon helps to support heart health, helps to boost immunity, may improve digestion, help to control weight, help to reduce cancer risk, may help in oral disorders, and very beneficial for skin. So friends, this is Sonia Space. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you as you do. Beets are packed with nutrients that helps to fight cell damage and inflammation. Health benefits of beets include more stamina during exercise, heart disease and stroke prevention, and they help to lower blood pressure. The use of beetroot, watermelon and ginger juice has been considered to improve reproductive health. This juice is a delicious and nutritious combination of ingredients that offer several health benefits. They also help to achieve radiant, glowing skin and weight loss. is a deliciously refreshing juice with a huge health hit too. Its ingredients are fabulous to ward off cancer, cleanse the liver and kidney, and should appear as part of our beauty ritual with its anti-aging properties. Drinking this juice consistently may help to significantly improve hypertension, and drinking this juice 48 hours after exercise may help to reduce muscle soreness after jumping. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. God bless and bye bye.